One of the main goals of DevSecOps is to make security as agile as development teams by integrating it into the continuous integration and continuous delivery CI/CD pipeline. In a continuous delivery model, everything is tested, released, and monitored as part of the build pipeline, with developers and security at the left and operations at the right. That's why DevSecOps is a shift-left approach. However, most developers are not security experts and have limited knowledge about secure coding. This is where interactive application security testing, or IAST, comes in. IAST is a critical capability that enables automatic and dynamic vulnerability detection during the development and verification phase, so exploits don't make it to pre-production and delay the entire release. Let's take a look at how IAST works in Juniper's Cloud Workload Protection. Here's the Cloud Workload Protection dashboard. As you can see, third-party vulnerabilities and exploitable parts of the running code have been discovered over these scan processes. You can also view these stats over different time periods. Let's look at the Log4j application, a popular logging library used by a large number of online applications. Clicking on third-party vulnerabilities, we can see that we have 2 at critical and 2 at medium severity. The Log4j vulnerability is important because Log4j is embedded in many applications, and developers might not know that they have this vulnerable application embedded in their code. Beyond that, their own code might also have some vulnerabilities that can be exploited, and Cloud Workload Protection can pinpoint them too. Looking at this critical severity example, Cloud Workload Protection shows us that remote code execution was found in the current code. The request that was made by the Cloud Workload Protection agent has detected some questionable parameters that could be a security problem. There is a Proof of Exploit tab to explain to the developer how the exploit might be used, where the stack trace ends up in the code, in which application, and what remediation is possible, such as which line of code is affected and what parameters need to be sanitized. These detailed insights can help developers isolate and fix vulnerabilities prior to production and enable a smoother DevSecOps workflow. To learn more about IAST and other features in Juniper Cloud Workload Protection, check out the links below.